Laman po ng mga balita itong pag-celebrate ni Maymay Entrata ng kanyang 6th monthsary kay Mr. Joaquin Enriquez. Sabi dito ni Kapamilya Online World, sana all. Look, boyfriend ni Maymay Entrata na si Joaquin Enriquez may mensahe sa girlfriend sa kanilang 6 months. 6 months with my lover, ito ang sabi ni Mr. Joaquin on January 24th. My beautiful princess, these past 6 months have consisted of lovely adventures, laughs, challenges, and unforgettable memories. All these moments have been a testament that showcase how strong our love is. Whatever chaos or beauty this world may have to offer us, there's nothing that me and you can't conquer and overcome. Together with God, our love has only gotten stronger each day. Thank you for the past 6 months of my life filled with connection, growth, and lovey-doveys. You are the rhythm to ever beats in my life, the melody to my song, my one and only dance partner, my missing step, my muse, my princess. You are the music in me. I love you, Marydel. Happy 6 months, halfway to a year. Let's go. Thank you, Jesus, Road to Forever. Ito po yung pagmamahalan na nasa gitna po ang Panginoon. Kung meron man siyang pa-message kay Marydel Maymay Entrata, meron din pong pa-message ang isang Maymay Entrata para sa isang Joaquin Enriquez, mga kaibigan. Gusto nyo bang malaman kung ano yun? Charot. So yes, kung sweet ang isang Joaquin para sa isang Maymay Entrata, ganun din naman po si Maymay kay Joaquin. So narito po ang mensahe ng isang Maymay Entrata para sa isang Joaquin Enriquez, mga kaibigan. So ito po ang sabi, 6 months with my lover para kay Joaquin. Ito po, nare-share ni Maymay pala itong message. Ito po ang mga videos nilang dalawa, pictures and video na i-share na hindi natin nakita, mga kaibigan. Ayun, akala ko katabi sila ni Joaquin, di pala. Naka-video call at nakatulugan pala siya ng isang Marydel Maymay Entrata. So siya daw ang melody sa buhay ng isang Joaquin Enriquez, mga kaibigan. Napaka-sweet, sweet, sweet naman. Oo, diba? Cute nilang dalawa together. Pumunta sila ng Korea ba yan? Or Japan? Hindi po natin alam. Hindi ko po alam, ha? May pa-snowy, may pa-bowling. Ano pa ba ang ginawa nila together? Ayan, may pagala together. Yan po ang mga sweet moments nila together. May mga daming mga kiss. Pinaliguan ito ng kiss. Ito, Joaquin with Maymay and with his family. Ayan, happy 6 months daw. Video call. And these are the compilations of Joaquin Enriquez para sa isang Marydel Maymay Entrata, mga kaibigan. On their 6 months survey. O, diba? Gaano ka-sweet ang isang Joaquin Enriquez na sinasabi ni Maymay na every month ay naghahanap talaga ito ng paraan na makasama si Maymay. Diba? Imagine mo yan, ang layo-layo ng Amerika at parang ginawa lang itong nasa isang kali lang ng isang Joaquin Enriquez para mabisita at mapuntahan ng isang Maymay Entrata. Ang alam ko, meron pong pa-post nito si Maymay pero hindi na natin makita sa kanyang Instagram. I think I do have that sa ating mga photos and hindi lang natin matandaan na saan natin nakuha at saan natin na-save ang mensahe ng isang Maymay Entrata para sa isang Joaquin Enriquez on their 6 months, mga kaibigan. Kung mahanap ko yun po ay i-share po natin yan sa inyo, mga kaibigan, dahil gusto nating ibahagi sa inyo ang bawat update ng isang Maymay Entrata sa kanyang buhay. Ito yata yun. Sabi dito, God has been so good to me, my love. I have witnessed a man full of love, kindness, patience, perseverance, and wisdom. Thank you kasi you inspire me to become better, to love deeper, and to trust God's timing more. Thank you for making me believe na deserve ko pala i-pursue araw-araw. You were not joking when you told me you wanted to be with me every month, even if it's just to stay for a few days. Yung effort, sacrifice, and consistency mo mean more to me than you will ever know. May God continue to guide us, protect our hearts, strengthen our love, and lead our relationship according to His will. I pray that we grow together in faith, in purpose, and in love. I choose you today and always. Happy 6 months, baby loves. Yan po ang sabi ng isang may entrata. Sabi dito, no matter where we are in the world, thousands of miles apart or right next to each other, every day with you is a celebration of our love. Loving you is the easiest thing ever. Happy 6 months, my love. At may entrata. Yan din po ang message ng isang Joaquin para kay may entrata. Salamat naman at ating na save ito mga kaibigan. It's the 24th in the Philippines, which means 6 months with my love daw po. Yan ang mga post ni Joaquin Enriquez at ang reply ng isang may entrata para sa kanyang labi-tabi. It's time and I have to go. Alexander Lexter Jules, magandang morning. I will see you later for my update. Bye-bye.